Hi, this is my Internet of Things humidifier project. It uses the next generation CC3220 MCU with embedded security. So we're going to also use the sensors booster pack, and we're going to use the environmental sensor on it, which is the BME280, to read the humidity and temperature of this room. And to activate the humidifier, we're going to use the C Studio Groove water atomization. The MSP430 launchpad is to activate the NeoPixel RGB lights, but for now, so we can see the humidifier in action, it is turned off. Okay, so first what we need to do is connect our CC3220 launchpad to our Wi-Fi network using a smart config app. So this is the app. So I'm going to input the device. So okay, IoT humidifier. So I'm going to input the password. So I'm just going to reset. Okay, so done. Start configuration. Okay, so provisioning is successful. So I can see now my device is called my IoT humidifier. So when I click this, the internal web page saved in the CC3220SF launchpad will be open. So okay, so the IP address is 192.168.254.103. So I'm going to open this at my laptop web browser. So okay, the welcome page is says welcome to IoT humidifier. Okay, welcome to IoT humidifier demo using CC3220SF2 Gen 2. Okay, we go to the demo page. Okay, so I will enlarge the screen. So okay, so at the moment that the default desired humidity is set to 50, and the BME280 sensor is reading current humidity 55, current temperature and 31. So when I increase the desired humidity to above 55, so the humidifier is on. So you can see it is on. Okay, so when I put it below 55, so it's now off. So increase it. So humidifier is on. So it works. So I'm going to turn on the MSP430 launchpad to see the NeoPixel RGB lights. So now is the new pixel RGB lights. Okay,